Good morning, everybody.
The coronavirus teaches universe is for everyone. The land belongs to man and other birds and animals. This is strong thinking will bring about a new change. When the corona began, people were sitting in their homes, wandering in the street, in rivers, and even in the atmosphere. The universe belongs to everyone. But the man who had no mercy in his fellow creature had begun to kill the other living things in the universe. It's been a reflection of us for a few days. Man has become cruel and harms foreign creatures. As a result, the animal species were thrown into its habits. Then, but today, when the man is at home, they are wandering free. We need to understand one thing: this land belongs not only to us but also to all living things. Humans, animals, birds, plants, mountains, or rivers are all created by God. We are just one of those. They have to live here like us. This is the understanding point. We build concrete structure by cutting down trees. Shopping malls and factories were converted into small shops. Our thing is for us, for the selfish interest of